Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Sweet Wallet. Okay, it's not something difficult. There are some steps, I think 5 steps that you need to follow, and you're going to be able to withdraw money from Sweet Wallet. So now I will not waste your time, guys. So I'm going to go to my phone, and what I need to do now is to go to my browser. And as you can see, these are the steps. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Sweetcoin app, and then what you need to do is to click on tap the shopping bag icon, and then click on tap the PayPal or Amazon reward. So this will open that specific offer and instructions to purchase. Then read how to claim. So all offers will have this section, and all offers will have different ways to claim. So follow the instructions listed in your how to claim section of the offer, and you will need to access your email to continue. And for the last step, which is tap buy, so this is located under the offers image at the top of your screen and lists the Sweetcoin price. So this will redeem your Sweetcoins and send you cash after you follow the steps listed in how to claim. So this is the video, guys, and this is this was the steps that you need to follow in order to withdraw money from Sweet Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.